Hello, today we are going to briefly explain the features of MASGAMES picnic tables. They are ideal for any outdoor space because they are made of wood treated in an autoclave at level 4, which protects them from the sun, rain, and humidity. Thanks to this treatment, they can stay outdoors all year round without warping or rotting. Moreover, the wood comes from sustainably managed forests, so you are also choosing an eco-friendly option. There are models for all kinds of needs, for children, inclusive for people with reduced mobility, square tables to encourage interaction, and rectangular tables to make better use of space. They are very sturdy, with thick wooden parts up to 45 mm, designed to withstand intensive use for many years. And since they comply with the EN 1176 standard, they are perfect for schools, parks, and public spaces. They are easy to assemble thanks to the pre-assembled parts, pre-drilled holes, and explanatory videos. In addition, they are low maintenance. MASGAMES picnic tables are comfortable, safe, and durable. A safe choice for any outdoor space.